This is a very short video. There isn't much to be said about the user table form. Pretty self-explanatory, except that you need to know what user tables are and how you can use them to your advantage. Basically, a user table is a special table created by the user in one of the following ways: by importing external data from an Excel file, by saving query results as user table, and several NLP routines also create a number of specialized user tables that a user cannot modify except for deleting them. The question is, why should you import data as user tables into the PCA's database? There are several good reasons for doing so. First, PCA's offers powerful ways of querying user table data using the SQL EQL form or the Query Manager form, ways that Excel does not have. Second, PCA's also has automatic ways of visualizing the data displayed in the query results form by the SQL, EQL, and Query Manager forms. Third, PCA's even allows you to analyze simultaneously different user tables connected via SQL unit join queries that PCA's sets up for you automatically in the Query Manager form. Fourth, surely the most important use of user tables is the ability that PCA's offers to join user table data with PCA's table data. For example, the data that you will have coded from documents on the basis of a grammar you will have set up. Suppose that you have collected data on protest events coded from newspaper articles. It is unlikely that these articles would have given geocoding coordinates of the location of events, latitude and longitude, or accurate census population data. But you would need this information if you want to map events using GIS software, or if you want to find the relationships between event characteristics and demographic characteristics of event locations. If you have this information in an external Excel spreadsheet, you can import the spreadsheet into PCA's as a user table and then use the Query Manager to join the two sets of data. To learn more about this option, do watch the video tutorials on the Query Manager Part 4. Once you have imported an Excel spreadsheet as user table, the handled PCA's user table form offers various options for manipulating the data. You can open this form by pressing F8. Again, these options are pretty self-explanatory, also with the help of good status box information. Never forget to look at the information in the status box of various forms. The so-called status boxes are text boxes located at the bottom of the forms, here, that display information on what the various objects on the forms are and what they do. Look here, it says, click on a table to select it, double-click to display table fields and number of records. You can search for a specific table in this form by using this Search Table Name button here, and entering any part of the name string, for example net for user table demo network. You can see that the status box information changes all the time that you hover over different objects in the form. Keep an eye on status boxes, particularly when you open forms that you have not used yet or not used in a while. Don't forget to watch the other videos on data import from Excel and the video on the query results form.